Best places to visit in Banana Island, Qatar are private golden sand beach, an 800-meter stretch of soft white sand along with opaque turquoise waters, perfect for relaxation and sea views. It is the jewel of this crescent-shaped island and top spot for photography. Observation deck, a thatched roof house at the island's tip offering panoramic sea vistas, ideal for sunset in evenings. Snorkeling and Diving Center, a certified spot to explore vibrant reefs teeming with marine life. Beginners may start in the resort's pool before open water dives. Water Sports Center, try kayaking, stand up paddleboarding, jet skiing, or banana boat rides around the island. Surf Pool, Qatar's only wave pool for artificial surfing. Lessons available for all levels with calm lounge pools nearby for non surfers. Adventure Park, a thrilling combination of adventure rides, zip lining, human slingshot, and family friendly challenges. Bowling Alley, a 10-pin alley with urban street art decor, great for evening with friends or family. Mini golf and tennis, casual 9-hole courses and tennis courts set amid the beach. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.